Hello, and welcome to another edition of Greeley Water Wise. I'm Sean Chambers. I'm the Director of Water and Sewer, and I'm here to share with you a little bit of exciting information on the meter replacement project the city is undertaking over the next several years, and it'll be coming to a neighborhood near you. Question 1, why is the city replacing my water meter? Well, since the 1980s, Greeley's been metering water in homes, and metering water is a best practice, responsible habit of a water utility. However, meters wear out over time. They're made of mechanical parts, they have pieces that spin and move inside them, and so over time, meters have to be replaced. We periodically have been replacing meters all throughout the city's history as they fail, and we have large batches of meters that are coming to the end of their useful life. The city also received a $1.5 million grant last year. It's a multi-year grant from the Bureau of Reclamation and their Water Smart program, and that grant is intended for support to help the city replace meters that are failing and replace them with more accurate meters that allow and empower a customer to see their usage, to manage their account, and to manage their budget according with what they want to spend on water each month. So that's the kind of technology that'll be going in with the new meters, and it'll empower our customers to better manage their use. So the Bureau of Reclamation's Water Smart grant is going to allow us, in combination with city resources, to replace 6,250 meters here before year end in the year 2021. Early next year, we'll replace another 6,250, and ultimately, through successive phases of the project, we'll replace 29,500 meters across the city. Replacing this aging infrastructure with up-to-date infrastructure and technology that allows and empowers our customers to better manage their use and their billing is a great step forward for the City of Greeley, and it's an appropriate step forward in best practice utility management. So we look forward to empowering our customers with more accurate data to manage their accounts. Question 2, why can't the city just repair the meter I currently have? Well, the reality is these meters that are in the ground are often more than 15 years old. The mechanical parts in them are worn out. They run on batteries to help communicate the reads. Those batteries are worn out, and to disassemble and replace that battery would be improper given the fact that the other parts in the meter are worn out. So the best practice industry-wide is to replace these old mechanical meters with up-to-date technology. So the city is undertaking that along with a partnership with the Bureau of Reclamation and their financial resources that will allow us to put in meters that empower the customer with data. And so that's the approach we're taking to replacing the current meters with more up-to-date industry-specific technology. Replacement meters that accurately track water use and allow us to catch and correct leaks can save a lot of wasted water. City officials estimate it could save 200 million gallons of water lost each year alone from previously undetected leaks that would take as much as a month or more to detect under the old metering system. Advanced water meters allow for real-time monitoring of your water, the ability to catch leaks immediately when they occur, and this allows residents to manage their accounts with more precision, utilizing an online portal that we use in the business known as Water Smart. Each customer would have access to their usage and be able to manage their bill through the Water Smart online portal. Question 3, why is the meter replacement project so important to the city? Well, I want to share with you, we take customer service very seriously at the City of Greeley, and this is ultimately a customer service project. So we view it in a little bit different way than maybe how we answer the phone and how we serve a customer when we interact with them, but this project allows us to empower the customer. We're giving the customer access to their data, to their billing account, all of it like in real time so that they can manage their usage and manage their bill without reaching out and contacting a customer service agent. So we view this as a key customer service project, and it allows a customer to identify and stop their leaks well before they become a billing problem, and that too empowers the customer to better manage their water use and their budget. So this is ultimately a customer service tool. It has great ancillary benefits in the water that it will save by eliminating leaks, and we really view this as a best practice for us as a utility and for our customers as citizen ratepayers. In the months and weeks to come, look for our city trucks and our partner UMS out in the city replacing water meters in association with this project. You can find more information on the city webpage at greeleygov.com. And thanks again for watching another edition of Greeley Water Wise.